Gentlemen, a great alternative to the traditional trailer bearing cap is the Harbor Freight Haulmaster 1.98 inch wheel bearing protector. So I'm going to show you how to install it. It's real simple, it takes 2 minutes. And a nice benefit of this is it's got the grease nipple built right in, so you do not need to disassemble your wheel hub bearing to grease it. A few shots every year and you're done. You're going to need 3 tools: flathead screwdriver, a hammer or rubber mallet, and a block of wood. That's it. First, remove the original. Tap gently. It's open! Yay! Set that aside. You're 1/3 of the way done. Open up your bearing protector. You got a nice even little Haulmaster rubber boot for the outside. Now, we're going to fit that right over. Get it in there a bit, so just enough by hand so it stays in without popping off. Put your block of wood over it and gently tap directly and evenly. That's it. You're 2/3 of the way done. Grab the little rubber boot. Put that on there. Once you got as far as it can go, press down on the center. Release, kind of makes a little vacuum. Gets it that extra little bit on there. You are now done. Painless, right? And not bad at about 12 bucks at Harbor Freight. Don't forget your 20% off coupon and your coupon for a free item. Link in the description box below to both the product and a great source for Harbor Freight coupons.